My mate Kevin is going to have a flight with Alan, but they are going somewhere different, to the top of scenic Mount Buffalo. As you will have seen in the last episode, I flew with Alan to Mount Feathertop in my microlight. Kevin doesn't get to do much flying, so a microlight flight is very new to him. These days, he flies quite regularly with CrayonBox airlines. The plan was to take the scenic route over Mount Buffalo at 1,723 metres or 5,650 feet above sea level and visit the usual hotspots on the way around it. Kevin even had a fly. Let's take a look. Since this flight, Kevin regularly accompanies me on adventures and local flights. I really appreciate your friendship, Kev, and all the help you loyally give. Thank you. I certainly hope you enjoyed that for a bit of fun. It is actually nearly all true. This is CrayonBox, over and out. Until next time, do it right now. Like this video, subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. You will continue to enable bigger future CrayonBox adventures. Don't miss what happens next. Have you subscribed yet? Thank you.